So one of the most important data center plays in AI right now is Applied Digital, APLD stock. And we're wondering what's really driving the stock right now. We've seen tremendous growth over the last year, and it's not just an AI company, it's more on the infrastructure side. So what's really driving them right now, we've seen them go from $3 a share up to $42 a share and back down here around 25, is that they've had some large data center deals. Now, if you guys are tuned in here, you know it's March 20th. So I'm really excited. I have something super cool to share with you in this video, and we're going to get into that in just a moment. I just want to give you guys the breakdown here on what we're looking at here with APLD. So this morning when the market opened, we were trading NBIS in our daily live trading session. And we actually sold this morning at $122 a share. So we ended up locking in profits over on this data center stock here at this market open spike when it jumped up above this resistance. But we're anticipating that it may get rejected around this $122 range. Now, APLD had a very similar level just this morning as well. They had been consolidating from left to right, except they were trying to hold a previous support level and push above. They could not this morning. We saw them sell down and sell down, getting rejected around that $26 to $27 price point right here and selling down to this $25.50 support. So currently they are consolidating from left to right, meaning they're just, finding support and resistance despite having massive increases in revenue. They've grown in revenue basically tenfold over the last few years. You look at their growth, you could see that they have signed deals with CoreWeave and many others. They've got insider buying. They've got insider buying and selling happening. And they've also been one of the top data center companies to gain momentum throughout 2026. And they're in the same conversations as NBIS, as Wolfstock, as BITF, because they're partnered with companies like CoreWeave, and they have their data center capabilities that are being used primarily for the construction of large data centers. And they've got about $16 billion in deals, and their current market cap is sitting at just $8.3 billion, while their financials also have been once again heating up. We could see if we add their financials in here on Prophecy. This is really exciting. I can't wait to show you guys something that we just added. I know some of you guys may already know what's going on here, but what we got is this balance sheet here. The $5 billion in assets is looking really good. They're growing. The income statement is also growing. You can see that they got up to, once again, $126 million in their last quarter, but their costs were still pretty high at $146 million. So they haven't been able to turn a large profit. However, they have a really good backlog of contracts. And so in this near-term volatility, they're seeing broader market kind of pressure from some of the data center markets, seeing a little bit of a sell down. But overall, if you look at them, you might say, oh, they're really selling down. It's not looking so hot. But if you look at some of the projections, it's pretty mixed into the next month here. And then as you go further out into this next 6 months or further out from there, a lot of the targets, you might see some targets online that are $50, $100, but just conservatively, some of the targets here in the next 6 months to a year are about 35%. I mean, that's a pretty bullish target there from Gemini, with the nearest support level at $25. So while they are seeing a downtrend and you see that kind of volatility in the near term with this 2.5% negative projection and everything else, and then also you have their financials come in good, but still seeing, not any big profitability, but big revenue increases, they still are at this support level. So as they continue to grow, you can see they've sold down to the 200-day moving average, and we're looking for that initial recovery of about 5 to 10% here in this consolidation from left to right. And then in that 3-stage reversal where they have this level where they were selling down here from February all the way into March here, selling down, lower lows, lower highs, and then finding support and resistance from left to right. And this is really just the story for all data center stocks. You could pull up APLD, you could pull up IREN, and you're going to see that consolidation here from left to right over the last month. You could pull up what's another one that's in the same market. I think even BITF. Look at that consolidation on BITF from left to right. Even NBIS this morning, they had some consolidation for a bit, but we were catching kind of that breakout from the consolidation recently. That's what we were trading, and that's where we locked in profits this morning. And so with APLD currently kind of looking to find a support here on this zone around 25 bucks a share, they do have that potential bounce, which is about 13% gain to 15% gain up to $30, but still no indication of that reversal in this sideways trend. But overall, in the longer term, what we've seen is that they notoriously bounce around these levels, and some of the valuations with $16 billion plus in data center deals with CoreWeave and others, and building in cold places like North Dakota, which is super efficient for the energy because it's so freezing there in the winter. They don't have to spend so much to cool their data centers. They actually have a lot of advantages, big backlogs, large increases in revenue. And while they did see some selling from NVIDIA recently sold some shares, they still have been growing pretty fast on the financial side. So they're targeting up to this $30 to $45 range, which is about a 30% to 75% increase. But once again, no indication of the reversal just yet. We're seeing this move here around 25. See if it holds here, or if we can keep that structure, great. And then if not, we'll just adjust from there. But that's the story right now with APLD. Now, this is the special thing that I was telling you guys about. So if you're over in the search on Prophecy, you're a Prophecy user using AI, like Grok, Super Grok, or OpenAI, ChatGPT, any of that, you might see this header up here. And this header is a 10K trading challenge. So we've been talking about March 20th for a while, and today is March 20th. And so that means that the next target here is March 30th, which is when we actually are able to do this 5-day trading challenge. So this is what we're doing. On March 30th, we're going to basically go live for 5 days, and you're going to basically watch me trade a 10K trading account right in front of you for 5 days. Now, it's the 20th today, which means we just opened up registrations, and it's so cool because up until this point, we had over 100 people in the last 2 days that have said all the things they want to see in this challenge. We've been building this challenge for you. So it's the entries and the exits, whether it's the, the money management, the trade entry, the risk management, exiting trades, technical analysis, high probability entries, whatever it is that you submitted, we are going through, and we've now crafted this challenge for you, and today's the day. So you can go to the first link in the description and you'll see the challenge there. It will look just like this, and you'll arrive on this page just like this, and you could register. You can see the 5 days, and it's free to join the challenge. But here's the thing. This morning, we just opened this up, and we opened this up even before we were here publicly because it was in our live session. And so we actually opened up our live trading session this morning in StockMeet by giving away some of our seats for the VIP. Now, right now, the VIP of this challenge has a limited number of seats. And so if you want to go grab the VIP access and get the most out of this challenge, right now is going to be your chance. So all you're going to do, just go to this page in the first link below. You're going to go here. You can go ahead, sign up. And then we also have some tailored roadmaps for you. We have a roadmap for $1 million, scaling to $1 million. And that's something I work with clients on for the couple hundred thousand to $1 million. We have roadmaps that we do from $1,000 to your first $10,000. We also have roadmaps for going to cracking your first 100K. So it depends where you're at, but let me know where your trading capital is at, because this is going to make the difference the same way that it made the difference for us to make this challenge handcrafted for you guys to make sure that it answers all the questions is the exact same way that we're going to handcraft your experience here. So fill out the question there, and then you're going to be here. This is where, once again, we've got about 137 VIP spots left. We just launched this morning. We've already had some people take up the VIP spots in our live session. Once the VIP spots are filled, they are gone. And if you want to join the live trading at Market Open on Monday, then this is where you're going to get to see every entry, every exit, every decision explained in real time. So the VIP of the challenge isn't just the recaps that you're going to get and all of the entry and exit detailed education, but you're also going to get the live sessions in the morning at Market Open. So this VIP includes the entire stack of everything. If you want to find the right entry, if you want stop losses that actually hold, or if you want a short list of what to trade and you want a system that you could stick with, this is going to be for you. So you can watch the live trading at Market Open. Here's what you get when you get VIP access. You get the lifetime access to all of the replays. You get the VIP trading community, and then you get 30 days free for Prophecy AI. So you actually get access to our 21-stage analysis software that I was just showing you, the AI analysis, and you even get some tickets for each day that you attend to win a free one-on-one portfolio kickstart. So March 30th, we're going to be opening it up, and you might say, Will, that sounds amazing. I could get the live trading, I could get the lifetime access, I could get the VIP, I could get the 30 days free, but I might even get a one-on-one with you and we could work together. But what if my stock projections are wrong? What if I get in, I feel like I got the right entries, I get the right exits, I learned some of these systems, but still the projections are wrong and I don't get to get perfect timing or something like that? We're so confident in Prophecy AI that we have this limited time bonus here. We'll guarantee this actually works. So Prophecy AI, for example, it projects Apple will hit at or below $25, $255 by April 5th. So if we're wrong and it closes above $255, then you get your $97 fully refunded. You just have to keep your Prophecy AI access for 30 days. So this refund is a guarantee and it's a limited time bonus, and it's an early bird perk for if you join VIP. All the projections are live. This isn't a cherry picked projection. This is just grabbing a projection off of Prophecy for Apple stock. And again, if the projection is wrong, then VIP is yours for free. So you go claim your spot there, and you're going to get the live trading at Market Open. You get the complete implementation. You're going to get the worksheets for the 5 days. And you could even get, you might say, what's your investment? The investment here is $97. And for the $97, if you got fear of bad entries and exits, we're going to make that go away. If you got small account with big ambitions, that we can work with you. If you're looking to set stop losses that protect you, we're there for you. And so time is of the essence right now. We got 150 VIP seats. And as I mentioned, we opened it up not publicly this morning. We've already filled some of the VIP seats. And here's what we got. You get everything, the live trading, all this stuff, $97. You're not getting just one AI model, but you're getting ChatGPT Pro, Gemini Ultra, Grok Heavy, and Claude Max. And here's the thing. This is where it gets really crazy. Are you ready? Most gurus they'll tell you to trust them, but we'd rather just prove it. So every trading tool out there asks you to take their word for it, buy the course, trust the signals, hope that it works. But here's what we're doing. Once again, AI Prophecy's got the live projections. Why would we do this? If our AI is wrong, your VIP is free. It's because we're adding a double safety net here. So not only do you get the Apple accuracy guarantee, but you also get the attendee raffle. So the attendance raffle basically gets you the ability to, each day that you attend this challenge on March 30th, when we kick it off on Monday, you get one raffle ticket for each day. And on the 5th day, we're going to be giving away the 6-figure scaler package, which I'm super excited for. It's a one-on-one session with me. It's a 3-month Kickstart program, and you get 1 year access to Prophecy AI, our software. You get 1 year access to the AI Max plan and a free ticket to our in-person events. That's what you get in the raffle. So basically, you get a double safety net. If the AI is right, Apple stays below $255, and you see the power of our projections in your own portfolio. Great. You get to win total value, profitable trades, and it is high-level mentorship as well included. You get your shot at the 6-figure scaler. If the AI is wrong, you also win. We send your $97 back immediately. You still keep your raffle entries for the 6-figure scaler drawing. A total value is you get the full refund, free software access, and the raffle entries are still valid. Just keep your Prophecy membership. So you can go grab your spot. Once again, we got 150 spots there. We are seeing them go now, and I just opened it up this morning for our live session. And I noticed some people said they're going to get in this weekend. And look, it might be available for a few days, but it might be available the whole time. I'm not really sure. We have never done a challenge before, but I wanted to make it sweet. And I'm thinking, how could we get people to use this amazing tool that we're building? And it costs us a lot to fulfill it. We have to do so much to make it happen. So how can we build something that's going to be like super good for everybody? And it's going to help us be able to get the software into your hands so you can use it, but then also get you the live sessions, and still we can do it economically so it works for everybody. So that's the deal. Go get the double safety net guarantee along with, live trading at market open with the challenge. And if you don't, you can always just join the challenge free as well, and get the evening recap sessions of everything that's going on in the live sessions. And those are going to be super valuable and jam-packed as well. Once you get in, so you'll go through here. I don't know if this is going to work here with me on this. It may work. Let me just do this. I'm going to type it in here. Okay, it's working, I think. All right. So I'm going to enter this, and this is how you're going to do it. So you're going to pay here. Once you pay, it's going to go through, should go through. Boom, welcome to VIP. It's going to redirect you to the dashboard. And then there you go. So this is how it's going to be. You got day 1 through 5. And you can see here, you can add it to your calendar. You can start using Prophecy right away. And then you're going to have the discussion, which is starting to kick off here. I see David's here. Let's go. David's joined in. We got some tickets already going for the VIP. And then you'll get the live sessions. You can tune in for the live trading sessions once again that we're going to do at Market Open, all that good stuff, as we just opened it up as well. You go in there, get the worksheets. We have a worksheet as well, which is jam-packed with a ton of stuff. So for each day, when you're in VIP, you're going to get a worksheet for each day. So it's going to include all of this for you that you're going to go through. For example, your screening filter, undervalued versus failing, 21-stage analysis, the percentage rules, the stop loss placement, the emotional traps, entries and exits, like day 3, the exit frameworks, multi-frame confirmations, scaling small accounts, all that, the compounding math. You're getting the full breakdown in the worksheets as well that are included there. So once again, go have a look at the first link below. I'm excited to have you guys in the challenge, and I'm looking forward to do this on March 30th. We just opened registration today, and I will see you there. Take care.